Good morning. Monday, April 27th. Can you believe we've finally made it to the last week of school? It's pretty awesome. So here's what's going to happen this week. Monday, today, vocabulary. What is poetry? You'll take a little quiz that'll get graded. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, each of those days, there is a poem in Scope Magazine. And then you will listen to or watch a video of the poem. You can read along in the magazine, and then it's going to ask you to write one of your own. So the first day is advice for eighth grade. So you'll listen to the author, and then you can read along with her, and then you'll write your advice for whatever you want to write your advice for. Your advice for fifth grade. Tuesday, you're going to read Your Dream Is by a really cool author. Doesn't have a video, but there's audio so you can listen to it. And then at the end of that one, you'll write My Dream Is. Thursday's poem is What Your Name Means. And so you'll get to watch the author again in video. You can read along, and then you can write about what your name means. And on Friday, final Flipgrid Friday, the exciting thing you get to do is give your advice and tips for how to survive sixth grade to give to the class coming in next year. Hope you have a great week. You can get me in the comments. Remember, guys, I'm not always in front of the computer, so sometimes it takes me a while to get back to you. So just be patient. Have a good day. Don't be stressed out. It's the last week of school. Hurrah!